too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine but we can't.
We're all having a good day. It's so nice to just like chill out, and I got caught up on my planner. I'm getting started on a new journal and I'm excited about it. There are things that I always want to do and they're like the easiest things to put off. So it was nice to just like sit down and reflect on July. July was such a good month. Now we're gonna make some bouncy balls. Hopefully. Hopefully this works out.
With Callie, my best friend.
Grandma Sammy got us this, I think for Easter. I think she brought it over for Easter. I can't remember. We're just getting everything ready. Did you guys pick out your colors?
Yeah.
What color?
Can I have this?
Yeah, you can have this one. Winston, pick this one out first. So this is Winston's mold, and then you can make another one. Do you want, what mold do you want?
This is
Do you
my
want,
mold.
there's the square one. Okay, what colors? Good choice. What about you? Do you want pink too? No, just pick out, or wait, you want all of these? Okay, yeah, you can do that.
Hey, can
All right, it looks like it should be really easy that we just fill up the mold and then put it in water. So here's hoping that it.
actually don't have hope up here.
Okay, that's
And
great.
pink.
Okay, I'll help you open them and I'll help you pour them in. Okay?
I can put them in.
You can. We don't want to spill, because if we spill it, then we won't get to make any bouncy balls.
Oh, yeah. But I have no do it.
Now we just have to wait for 15 minutes. They're opening a little bit. Hopefully that's okay. We'll see. Is this one yours, a little baby?
Little baby.
You can do more after if you want.
I'm gonna do this one after.
Oh yeah. But it's like an oval. I would do this one. This one's
That's
the
an
best
oval?
one. Yeah.
Oh. I want like one that's
Well, I don't think it's that big, but. All right, Winston, you ready to see your bouncy ball? Fingers crossed. Does it feel done? Okay, pull it open. Do I need to? Ooh, that's cool.
told you it looks sick.
Very cool.
Okay. Guys, look! They're going to a picnic. Need help.
Have fun on your picnic. Wanna go try to bounce it? Let's see. Woo! That was good. I meant outside. No, yours isn't done yet, Layla. Let's see it. You pull it out?
Wait, can I see?
That's super awesome.
Wait,
I love them. Good job. They worked. I think my mom got these at Michael's. Well, let's see it. Everyone's so excited to see yours. Oh. Why is the top so weird?
Because I put like 5 different colors.
I don't think you packed it enough.
Let go! Let go! Oh. Mom, done? Mom, am I done?
That was quite the throw.
Well, don't touch that rainbow blue one.
Winston's making another one. Okay, you can probably put it in there. Put it in this one right here. Nice. I'm trying to find my shoes. Where did I put them? Because Braylee just FaceTimed me. Her and her friend, where are they? Went to the pet store, like a little pet store. I don't actually know what it is because I've never been there, but they love to go there. And Braylee FaceTimed me and they have baby pigs. So I'm trying to find my shoes. I already got Layla ready and we're gonna go see the baby pigs. I've been obsessed with pigs since I was in grade school, and somehow my love for pigs trickled down, and Braylee is obsessed with pigs. So where are they? She's trying to get me to buy her one, which I'm not going to do. I said, where would we put it? We don't have anywhere to put it. And she said, in my room. And I said, yeah, right. Okay. We'll see you there. What the heck is going on? Winston, what is this? Go! Go, go, go!
Oh, you're still a little high, so
Oh. Let's see you, buddy. Super cool bike. Nice. You ready? Layla decided that she didn't want to go see the pigs, that she wanted to ride her bike. So, yes, I'm a little disappointed, but it's fine. So I think we're looking for Winston's helmet. Layla had it on. Maybe it's inside, buddy. And then I think we're just gonna go for a little ride. Oh, there it is. Good job. I was looking and didn't even see it right in front of my face. Okay.
Poopsicle.
Poopsicle, gross. Good job. Keep going. There you go. Good. Keep going forward. Keep pushing your feet forward. Yep, push that one. Nice job. It is. It looks like Gage's.
I want my nail bite.
You're doing good.
What's that?
Oopsies. Oh no! We lost the pedal. There we go.
Here we go.
Lost a pedal.
Not the pedal.
We lost a pedal.
Can we find it?
Those are some tiny little strong legs you have. Super strong. Huh. You got it. Come on. Oh. Okay, turn it. Yeah. Look up and just keep going. Nice, babe. Winston is cruising, huh? You're doing good. You will be cruising soon, huh? Yeah.
Kai will be older.
You got it. Push the pedal. What you doing? Stretching out. Her bike ride. She's stretching out. She's just stretching. She was doing some jumping jacks. It's a lot of work. These tiny legs. Tiny arms. You look pretty cool, buddy. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. All right. Wow. You got it? Nice. Nice job, sister. You're never gonna go in the grass again? Okay.
I'm loving this moment. Can we
Go,
stay
Layla. Go, Layla.
forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here